This is my Toyota Sienna XLE. And in this video, I'll show you how to reset your maintenance light after an oil change. However, if you stick around till the end, I'll leave you with a useful tip that I use every time I change an oil. Step 1, start the car and set this to trip A by pressing this button. Then turn off the car. Then what you're gonna do without pressing the brake pedal is hold this button and press this button twice. Now if you have a key, you can also turn the key but don't start the car. Turn it all the way but don't start the car. So I'm gonna press it twice. 1, 2. And over there you'll see, you probably can't see it, but it's resetting data and then it says maintenance complete. I started the car to show you that there is no lights on this dashboard or this dashboard. So as promised, here's my tip. Next time you do an oil change, write down your size for the oil pan and how much quarts you need for your car. This way you can save time without having to look it up or go through the different socket sets. And that's it. Like and subscribe. Click here to watch this video.